Yo.
Yo. How you doing, man? Why not ain't nothing? Is she too soft? Oh, if I get on my Discord there. Yo. Hold on, bro. How you doing, man? Alright, ain't something. I should not even connected. Why not ain't nothing? Is she too soft? Oh, if I get on my Discord there. Pull up. I'm from. Oh, you see that?
Yo, you there?
Yeah. I know. Time to lock in on the chats. I should not even connected. So
Sure.
My stream sound good. Very good.
Yo, chat. Say hi to the chat.
You have 250% people watching at you right now. But watching at the stream, not looking at you. That's all crazy. Watching at you. I'm fun. You see that?
Yo, you there?
Yeah. I know. Time to lock in on the chats. I should not even connected.
Sure.
My stream sound good. Well, I made. Oh, I forgot to leave the call. I seen why you leaving the call for?
Say hi to the chat.
You have
Why did you call for?
watching
You hear me properly, right?
Yeah, any good. But I need to mute my stream because my stream giving feedback and I think you're talking, but you're talking. Alright, now I hear you proper.
You get up trend
Yeah.
the daily, so hopefully the market. I realize about the market also, bro. Never try to play against the market.
What kind of thing? What kind of life?
What they also like trying to play against the market,
Speak your
bro.
mind,
Like,
man. Drop all your gems. As you on the live. You might as well just speak your mind and drop all what you learn on the market. It could help somebody that could rewatch this stream after.
No, I talking from experience, bro. Like,
Yeah.
dog, whenever the market going up, bro, always look for a move that going up. Don't matter the thing coming back down. Never feel like okay, like never feel like you want to play against the market. So because it's coming down now, you have to pick a big sell. Bro, like, dog, I almost crash out. I almost break my desktop by doing that bullshit.
Boy, I tell you, boy. Just be like
Oh, the market in an uptrend. Okay, break my trend line. The candle close under the trend line. Check that I place my trade. You know the market have the audacity, bro, to just start going back right up, boy.
That happened
Check it, so
literally Friday.
In my mind, I'm thinking like the market, like that's the end, cause my support, it respect this the resistance, sorry, respect the double resistance, and it coming back down. So I watch the whole play coming back down, break the trend line now, thinking like okay, the market changing character now, it changing market structure.
Yeah.
So I was like okay, now the market will start going in a downtrend now, making a big sell to the lowest low. Mad dog, the market just switch and the market just go back to the up.
I tell you, they like some of them the market makers watching you. That happened to me just
So I
the
just tell
weekend.
myself, I just tell myself never play against the market. The market going in an uptrend, bro. Look for your buys only. Don't look for no sales. Just look for your buys.
Yeah,
Regardless if you see a sell like that, it could be a 1 to 8 or 1
like
to
you mean
10,
go counter
5,
trading?
500.
You mean
So
counter
if you
trading?
just wait for your, but I don't remember on my broker not use. I don't know how to set it on my broker, so
Set what?
I did the counter trading is not the thing like okay, let's say you just like setting an alarm or alert.
No, counter trading is basically going against the trend. Like let's say market bullish and you see they have a sell opportunity while they're going up, like it give a valid sell opportunity but just going against the trend and you go for a sell when the overall market bullish. That is a counter trend. I'm sure.
But I tell myself, don't take no trade that could go against the market again.
Yeah, well, that is counter. I'm trying
My
to trade.
account, bro. I could almost blow my account by that bullshit I do.
Boy, I tell you, market you have to be
That's what I
precise
said
to
to
and
you, man.
disciplined.
Hopefully, this week I'm going to be more disciplined and play some good setup. I want to be all green this week.
Yeah, oh boy, you have your goal set, boy.
Yeah, man. All
And
green.
always goal set this week too, but I going crazy. That's watching. You do my nice little 40-minute back
I'm going to
test.
be disciplined, my risk and reward. I
Yeah,
can write it down
fuck,
today
fuck.
already. So I say we saw some good risk to reward. I will stick to my plan. Don't break my rule this week. Let me see how this week goes down.
I always goal set this week too, but I going crazy. That's watching. You do my nice little 40-minute back test. Oh, we go back test, boy. So you go do, you go share your screen or I share my screen? Up to you.
Oh, you want me to back test, are you? Oh, yeah, back test. But I remember maybe I have different setups, so I can back test my setup right now.
Yeah, you go back test anything, so plan them and anything, because you back test, you can do back test. I will just switch my window and put it into Discord so I can see what you're looking at. And after I will do my quick little supply and thing.
You want to see?
You sharing your screen, right?
Yeah, my screen share.
Hold on. Nice. Which one am I? Am I Discord of data?
You see my screen?
Wait, hold on. Yeah, I seen it now.
What you say?
I seen it.
Hey Siri, load on my place. Load on the monitor.
So you just set your thing? Load on the monitor. Yeah, man.
Okay. Thank you.
So you just have your charts with how much grid lines going across? To me that's split mark, I just leave a plain block and put my colors bright so I could see my colors proper.
I don't know how to do it there. That's my charts on my PC that right so.
Oh, like the chart self, the web. Was it good for you? So what time you will be going back on back test? Not early in the morning? Not early, but your trading time. You just back test anytime throughout the day.
What do you mean, like, what time I go in and back test?
Like, as you on the chart there, what time you does bar weekly to? If it's like your actual time you does be trading or just any random time during the market?
Like, trading, like, what you mean?
You see saying how you back testing, right? And you going on
Yeah.
to bar replay. What time session you does bar replay to was back testing? Cause look the time stamps in the bottom there. Oh well, yeah. I was asking you what
Yeah,
time.
I did not back test everything because remember one setup I'm looking for is my breakout and my
Yeah.
supply and demand. So I'm not watching all them charts throughout the day. Basically my the New York session.
Alright. Yeah, I see my screen.
My mouse is here. The other patient.
Let me tell the viewers what nothing. We're without watching this stream. So that'll be most likely going full screen.
System slash support. See my chat?
Yeah, I seen
System slash support. My quality system slash support. Yeah. I'm not there. Yeah. Creator support. Creator system. Creator support. Come back inside the creator support. Yeah. Come back and any break. If you break there, if you break there. That's my trading strategy right there actually. now there, if it break there, take a buy. Buy to the next lower low or the next higher high. If a tight stop, well basically a tight stop loss. Well scalp by scalping, no take profit, no take stop loss. But if I see like it going, if I get a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 already, I'll set a stop loss to break even. Or if it break below, same thing goes for below. On the higher time frame, target center is like there and my lower low or something like that. That's my trading strategy. Very easy. And my laptop I'm on right now, so you will see the chat away.
So you just have it set for, you have that set for like whichever way the breakout go. If it's up it on the go, you're going for the buy. If it's sell, you're taking the sell. Well,
I don't have it set so, but like
I know, but
I watching my chart.
yeah, that's but if you're on the charts, and it's that you're looking at, so that means either direction it go, you will take it once you get the nice breakout.
Yeah.
Well, that means you still counter trading.
940, a lot of momentum. I said 925 candle, so the next candle is 940.
Yeah. So that's how you're getting into the market right now. What that demand, boy? That demand rejecting. You watching that video?
Oh, that's another way I just look at this strategy.
Yeah, you have to look at that time frame. Don't ever forget.
And I see gold okay, for example, actually. It's a nice demand zone there, actually. So that trade is like basically a breakout / demand for me. So I'll take that breakout. I might not take that breakout because it was too close to my zone, that demand zone. On US 40 and NASDAQ, respect all demand and supply. So watch out on the higher time frame. You see it start rejecting on the 15 minutes already. Yeah. Basically, I'll take a buy though. Basically, I'll just take a buy on the nether bit of candle. And the 15 minutes is probably rejecting already. So the 5 minutes will be the same. Another bit of candle, I'll take a buy. See how it will look like. It could be a winning trade, it could not be a winning trade. Oh yeah. I'm taking that trade there on that green candle. A 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Risking 20%. Lot size at 20%. Very sorry to lot. Just now I'm going to time frame for confirmation. Okay, that's a good trade. That's a good trade. Yeah, like we'll take a 1 to 1. One to one will work. Oh my fuck, you saw the market moving and so shitty here. I know that we have a demand and supply and a breakout. Like, you see? So that created the wrong time. That's the thing too. Let's see what the other day out for us. It was Thursday. Let me see what Friday out. Like I get so disgusted by that whole room on the laptop.
We try again on Friday now. Hopefully Friday gives us a good trend. Friday had a bit slow, so. What you say? You see the demand zone already, only 5 minutes demand. Touch it there already, see? Watch that farm. That's why if I was home, I'd have been in match like an hour before the match would open. You can make sure you see all these things. Whenever you trading breakout, you have to watch out for all those things. And the 45, on the 45 minutes, you have a liquidity on the 1 hour too. And then the 5 minutes, you have a demand zone already, you should take it already. Okay. Market it for 950 so. And then forget. We have a supply actually. Exactly, dog. The market as soon as get up today. Okay, what's that? Top this supply already and stop pulling back. Let me still mark out my breakout for you. Okay, support. Important now, use that demand as a resistance. That supply as a resistance. Okay, next candle is 940. Let's see what it go there. Let's say the one time. I don't know if use a breakout strategy for that, I don't use that supply zone. Go for a short one time.
So let's use that as a regular supply. And that's a good sell because watch out the EMA, price rejecting the EMA.
Yeah, you check up here also.
Delete that what you have there. Oh, I did.
Line.
Price and push on there already. Yes, shit. That's a new scanner. What time that is? 9:40. That is New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, that is NYSE. But I look like that pulling back. I'll still hold it. I'll hold it down to that wick. It depends on how the momentum is. If I see give a 1-to-1, I out of there. Yeah, but play it to see if it will play out. But they are, yeah. That's if it, from them I see it pushing back up, I'll hold it all the way down there. Because the momentum there. Yeah, the rejection is rejecting his own. I like that, but I'll still wait for a break below. From time there, out of that trade. But the 1-to-1 is very valid. 1-to-1 mad valid.
Respecting support.
Yeah, I tell you, respecting it. It's respecting both sides. It's respecting both sides. That is like a sideways, so it's way blast from. Yeah, but that 1-to-1, a good 1-to-1, and out because the market want to go up. And watch flat liquidity.
Moment after it good. But I think on the EMA, I didn't break that EMA, you could just go for a long now.
Yeah, I was about to tell you, look at a good breakout there too. Since it's not breaking the EMA. But you going all the way up there. But that's a lot of buying volume.
That's 12, 1 to 12. Man, me catching that trick, buddy. What? You have a good wish to be one of that trick.
not take on a Friday, because I mean, Friday
Yeah.
market closing Saturday.
And the markets will do a whole bunch of consolidating by time midday. And they might have a random news like after 3, after 2 or 2 o'clock. Should expect a large spike. But it look like it coming to retest that demand zone.
Breaking demand. Market moving shitty on a Friday.
Hey, Fridays are days, you just take your Durban out of there. That'll be a ill if you will.
Glory.
Yeah, that's because Fridays is the days I'm looking for more quick scalp. You don't want to 1-to-1. Go device in the market doing all them choppiness, taking nothing. You know, like to say I could come back later during Asian session and take a trade. Because the market closed, right?
Minutes if you're shooting already. It's only 5 minutes out. Nice 5 minutes. I have a nice support right there. I need to have a trend line also. In the uptrend. Ooh, that's going to be a sweet trade. And we have our resistance right there. Break now, let's break out easy like that, very easy.
Would you chat full screen? You know how to put it full screen?
Yeah, but well, when I put it full screen, oh shit.
Just go back to your normal page. Yeah, boy. Click watch this. Yeah. Hold on, go back to your normal page.
My thing may be playing all like now there.
Hey, Lata, take your cursor and just drag it down. Go up, right to the top. Yeah, now drag it down. Now all you have to do is go full screen. That's not how you go in full screen, but the man say no. Oh, you see where you have your favorites, or you have it hiding in the top.
Wow.
But Barry play that day. The man like is a live. Put your thing full screen. Cause I want the stream to see good, to see the proper setup it in there. Yeah, slide that, bring it lower down. Yeah, look it there. That's how you go in full screen. And you just hide that back on in the top before. Now go back from scratch. Barry play. You saw his live trading and live trading me.
Okay, see the setup there, bro. The next 2 candles, bro. Monday's actually a good day, bro. What?
Yeah, boy. I realized that Monday and Tuesday. Oh boy. First day too. No, them days Wednesdays, cause Wednesday I never really used to be trading Wednesday.
Actually, yeah.
But Wednesdays I find Wednesdays just give it nice. In the morning it giving one setup. You see later in the night, oh boy, that is when they have all the setup. Just have to be prepped for it.
If I saw that breakout,
But look, I see a zone there. But that hit a whole zone, a whole 5-minute zone that play out on there to a demand. You don't even see that. Mark up the zone now. There have a whole 5-minute zone there. That play out on there.
Demand zone there?
No, the other one. They have the 2 candles in front of it. Not that one. The one in the middle. Yes,
yeah?
there.
Demand zone you say there?
Yes, it's just not a high quality one.
A 15 minutes, I guess.
Only 1 minute. Or the 40. You have the 40 minutes. But that's monthly on there. The monthly on there. Just click 1. Well, on air really is zona. Yeah, on air really is zona. Yeah, they're valid. But the fact that that literally played up that. Price go to take that high just to reverse.
Basically, that'll be my daily trade there. Huh? The two spun up 2 barrels on that when you do it.
The what?
What you want to do for you? Still going in.
Shit. Oh shit. Around there.
Actually, look at group zone right there. See the demand zone?
Where? You have to zoom into your charts a bit.
See?
Try and see how that shit is in there. Oh yeah, I see it.
Done. Yeah, 50 points, 80 points.
Make your bargain out of there. Simple as that.
See, when you're in front of your laptop, you see all those setups, you know.
Yeah.
When you're on your phone, it's basically, you haven't seen everything now. When I'm trying to go against the demands on the what? And they smash you out. Yeah.
Yeah, I go switch to my screen, like, do my quick back testing. In the next 10 minutes, I come out with shots.
Want to start back testing now?
Yeah, I will switch to my copy.
We'll do the last one. We'll see the last one. We're going to the side again. Everybody boasting goalie, but you know, while I haven't watched goal,
But golden fire, yeah, but I just want to time it just be afternoon. But the man go goal there.
last time was goal, yeah.
Goal there. No man to do that. Mini trend line. 15 minutes. Yeah, mini trend line. Okay. Walking on 20 minutes. So that means in the morning I'll barely be trading in the morning, it's night trades. Because I have to be working early. Not earlier, but like after 8, 5. So it's more night trades I take in. Yeah, all weekend from.
I believe a breakout trend line for that trade.
That means I have to be.
Let's see
That means I have to be on and I have to be taking my long-term trades and scalping in the night. Because last week they had two nice
but people got
trades. The last trade we take, that's the trade we lost on, right, on GJ. GJ was dirty.
on the demand zone.
And the fact that as we was about to move up the charts, boy. And the man I go for the buy first, we was in the buy, the thing pull back, playing around. All I seen it want to go up, I see now, as soon as I'm about to move up the charts, the thing is flip bearish, I see what's happening. We take that, boom. Now if we was in the buy and we just let that play out, the whole time we eat it. But the other thing, we trade what we see here because remember at first it was actually bullish, but you could see when the market flip. So if you see the thing literally all time frame showing you that heavy sellers about to come in, what the sense you been in a buy for? But that's trades we must stick and just move up the charts one time. There's not to look at it.
You see that sweet trade from me? I tell you, the breakouts, you can't lose in a breakout. That's the same as backtested today. You see a 1 to 4. So if I was taking that trade and I take a double risk of like maybe 50%, I would say that's $100. Basically, I get $400 in that little
in that little push.
That's the notes I was taking on today, and I have to stick. This week I go be disciplined. Let me see how it will work out for me. That's $400 in that little breakout there. Not as small, a little 1 to 4 there. Basically, I had break even already. 1 to 5, 1 to 6.
Yeah, man, the market is bringing it back from soon.
No, let me see how it goes this
Bring it
week.
back.
I will let you know how it is. Yeah.
Order price fill up all in gaps. Yeah, shit, you know. Let me shoot you away. Why so dumb? All I have to do is just switch. Could I just switch that shit? Let me see.
I share your screen.
Just now was.
You see what your partner Trump doing, man. Trump is cooling out.
Cool out. Cool out, guy. Next thing Trump come on my live and just take away everything. You know who this is, you know if Trump, then making sure you have everything set for YouTube. All those that mention his name on YouTube, whoop, you taking everything there. Hey, man, GJ. Alright, let's see another note.
Partner is in all that shit. What that even surprised you for? That ain't even a market.
No, me, I have to start off with goal. All out. When you come to goal, like that.
The market just staying how it is. The market not even studying them, man.
Nah, but if I let's speak, it doesn't move, eh? That's for sure. If I let's speak, it doesn't move.
I had a chance looking so. EX, that's what.
Oh, that's my next broker.
Huh?
That's my next broker. There's all trade ideas on it.
Oh, your broker, you on there?
No, that's the next broker. That's why there's all trade breakdowns, backtesting software on them. Man say how much has been so I've been too small. I'll move up, man.
On the goal.
But gold is my best friend. I tell you, just give it a couple more weeks. When I really find a nice setup on gold and I just do everything to the T farm, I'm milking gold. I go see how much I go make on it, but there's no it will be a lot. I'm going to be milking gold. Gold had supply and demand setups, no. It's more support and resistance setup, I say. I will go too far. There's a quick back test in June. Today June 20th, so I'll go to the 14th. The 14th was the day. Oh, yeah, that's
So
right.
you like demand and supply only just trade on gold.
And liquidity grabs.
Huh?
And liquidity grabs. Support and resistance liquidity grabs. But if it scalps, it's supply and demand. But only long-term trading thing is like more support and resistance. I see prices be holding them trades like crazy. And gold surprised me. It's US 40 I need to look into it, but I feel like I want to look at US 40 here. Probably when I just put more bargain. No, but gold, NAS and US 40, same indices, same leverage, everything. If forgetting indices is the same leverage. So gold, even though I switch to I trade US 40, that will make a difference. But I tell you, since I already have two indices, I don't want too much indices just pile up on my thing. Because them type of thing there, I rather have all of that once I have a strong piece of account that would just could manage that like nothing I would.
You cannot buy the one time.
I go wait for the break of candle to see what it do. So I don't take a buy. I will still set it up.
Target
Boy, watch the liquidity there, man. Just stop loss that under there, boy. Why go with my stop loss? May I go leave my stop loss there? A big stop loss for the first time. Just in case. And that day, it is that my 1-to-1 have to be all the way up there. Like somewhere here. But you have a tight stop loss. Depends on how price go, I go just bring up my stop loss. So that means a 1-to-1 will be like somewhere right here. So that means I don't get us into the trade already.
I wonder if broker doing that. You have straight chats broker like play straight so like a lamb.
A lamb or like once it enter you the trade it letting you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, like it telling you tick like as soon as you I know what you're talking about. As soon as it gets
like you feel like how you just place your long by the side of it, and if it touches it just automatically
put you in the they have it guys, price points. There is what they call that, I forget the name, but TradingView have it too. They have it. But just you cannot see your thing. The broker have it. I always seen it there. Is your price. You just have to set it to a price. Like let's say you're looking at TradingView, and then now you're setting that price for as soon as price reach there, it automatically putting you into the trade. They have it. But just the same how you see it on TradingView, you will not see it on your broker. Cause remember, your broker it do have like the buy tool and them everything. But there are some brokers that actually have the buy tool. Like that same broker on right there, you could use the buy tool while doing a trade because it's basically a TradingView software there, but it's not fully TradingView. Yeah, that pulling back. So I talk about the stop loss. I reject it. We don't need to see the rejection. I tell you liquidity. I just know it from time. Now I just wanted to see price grab liquidity first. Then now, that is what I would be looking to, but that is a loss if I do take that. Even though I bring down my stop loss, price still tag me. I'm not even by much too. Now let me see if it really want to go down. Yeah, it really want to go down, but what? What's that?
What time that was? That was 10 in the afternoon.
9:15. That is about New York Stock Exchange, and one time it give a nice supply there. As if price pull back to that supply. And reach back to that supply. See price is touching up now.
Maybe tap it on 15 minutes already.
Oh, that issue. Oh yeah, it did. And it did touch it. Oh, it barely. But on the 15 minutes, that probably didn't tap that
Only
already.
15 minutes, you see. Only 15 minutes.
No. Is it price when you take that low? Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah,
It's
not
still
go tap that
eligible.
and not go back down already.
That's what day. The 16th was what day?
16 was let me check. Last this month, right?
Yeah, June 16th.
16 was the Monday.
Monday?
Yeah.
I tell you, Monday that's half the setup. So. All that is 12 going on to team session. Now that we in London overlap.
Unless if they have a news.
Yeah, that's why I said yeah.
If they have news, we cook, but
So price was just going bearish after that move caused price to go bearish. It look like it about to do a flip. See how it going sideways? It look like it about to correct itself. Why are you listening to? Why is this in that shit? Oh, the movie you're watching.
oh, Remy, I saw you post a clip with one ugly fat thing from what the hell?
Any African girl?
No, that thing sound like a Lucia there.
Our African that is, yeah. Them African that be big in
No,
food.
I see you
Let's go
kill.
for it.
Nah, bro, nah.
No, but your perspective, them videos actually funny.
Oh, that thing's funny. Watch it.
How I watching
You telling you put that hanging on that? No, what you get lash easy, bro?
it? How I see the thing, broski? You talking to me like I could see the thing. You know?
Yeah, I thought that was a Lucian, right? What?
Ah, you mad,
Yeah,
man.
do
That
us
ain't
talking.
They go see what she say. Yeah, you know what that make me laugh? She say something. She tell me, what you say? I said, well, she say, what you say? Yeah. I have more clips, see, boy. I just holding it till tomorrow. I did not post for like a 3 days.
Oh, yeah, African, if you let's go on private car. Hey, so you have the number if it's that day.
You mad, man. That's why I doing that number.
And I tell you, let's go on a private call and they show the pumps going.
Well, I want to see that. I see
Not
too
sure
much
it
of that.
pass. And that was the whole area.
Shit. Oh, you forget it on live, man.
It's on kids.
Cause imagine I come to back to the man talking at all day but that as this. Oh, I getting cooked. Shut again cooked. I getting cooked. What you all say? What you all say? I tell you I getting cooked. That go pull back, you see the momentum, man.
Basically, that's how. No, you cook.
Look at that.
What you got, what you long one, the one that
Yeah,
you
and watch that, you see from them, you see the weekend not showing you like keep pressing, like that's breaking barriers. There's no that going on. That's you, what that, yee.
Yeah, you cook what you got. What are the market trips you got? You see the long week that give at the bottom,
Yeah.
and that market, if the candle had open red, with a big good, but the moment the candle open blue, oh, you cook.
But the caps good. Price will even come deep in the zone. Probably only 15 minutes that real one they do. How I like how that market go there. So I cooked twice and I traded inside of a range. I should just draw out my normal support and resistance. Is that I need to know. And price break it. Look at break and retest. And price break it. Let me see if I could find a breakout. A clean breakout. That look nice. That look nice. So you see trap, is that looking nice? Yes, yeah, never mind, they're nice again. They're nice at all. That even eat that big.
Yeah, you see my higher time frame on this.
I mean if I use my time frame. Of course I use my
1
time
hour, your 15 minutes.
frame. I always using it. That's normal for me. I see that good there. I see that good for me.
My next buy, so I go for a fun drive.
Come good. What
And
to
I'm
store your
on
things?
my password on my laptop, on my
Yeah, I have like 2 or 3 from drives there. I'm not gonna use them.
Your phone drive, man. Send your phone drive up from here.
When you come down there, you send it. I have like 2 of them. Oh, why getting cooked so bad, bro?
I tell you, bro, gold trash, but I don't know why that really been trading gold.
So you have to trust. You just have to be patient. If you don't have patience, and what the time to? I doesn't even be trading enough time. That is why.
Nas,
But I always trading Nas. Nas last playing around the weekend. Nas get me checked down. Watch your come back, eh? Watch your come back. You just have to know and wait. Alright, you see that their price I'm showing me. Then showing me a little rejection there. Boom. Mark that up. Let me wait for that retest. 12 o'clock, no retest. Alright, get the retest now. We're looking over there. That is my entry right there. If I get cooked on live, just call me tonight. You have to trust, let it play out. What? No sir, this can't be real, bro.
nah.
That's the reality of trading. At least we will see that. That is the reality.
No, that's right. Me, I could trade once.
Boy, how.
All that trading,
Yes,
all
yeah.
that trades very get cooked in, bro. Nah.
Oh, now it's cool, fam. The thing is, it's cool. I need to understand gold on a deeper level. Like, how? Man laughing at me a while ago, they're doing your back testing, you're laughing about it. You're going nice. Your breakouts, I should just start trading
all my
breakouts.
trades are the winning trade.
Breakouts alone, I should just start
All my
trading.
trades are the winning trade.
Oh, you want.
You see I had any of losing trade?
Yeah, be happy now. Tomorrow they hope you can grant me, boy. The markets, if you feel like quitting trading, All that you just be saying, like, keep him trade.
If I lose like this, bro, like, I understand the concept, bro. If I crash out, I crash out, bro. I just.
Fuck, so that's your main life. You have, however, you have to be comfortable with losing. I will not say comfortable, you have to be used to it. Because to the way to the top, that's what they have a lot of losing. A lot of L's on the way. You have to be numb to the losses. They say I done backtest everything and all my trades is a loser. Let me see what I could have done to prevent that. Let me see. They might fall in it, but price going sideways, that's why you get cooked the first time. That second time, you didn't even know, brother. That was too much liquidity, price literally, and that day price didn't top. The price had top that day, been cooking. I get caught up right there. But I don't even see price react to that zone then. That will be a good zone. That will be a good zone.
Boy, work tomorrow, boy. What? I hope this week we finish shut house. I really need those days off. But the boss tells us if we finish early, we will just get a few days off. Few days off in the market. Yeah.
If you all finish early, so that is his incentive for you.
No, not like if we finish early, but we just have a few things to do. The other house not ready yet for us. The other house is still digging and doing the foundation.
Oh. Alright.
So, you might have to, because we know the concrete is basically the framers. So we have to build the house, do the windows and stuff like that. So I don't know, like, wow, I wish I get those 2 or 3 weeks off that.
You don't get it, man. And when you get it,
That
when you
might be
do
a
get
sign
it,
for me to get that.
go crazy, yeah. Go crazy, don't take it for granted.
Telling you, bro, that's maybe a sign. Sometimes I never go back.
And use your time wisely, don't just sleep all day, do nothing. You see, you want to be on the chat, be on the chat. You want the time to take your rest, as you have the time, take your rest. But you know, if you home for the whole day, you got a good guy, take your rest in between. You have enough time to take rest. You can't be sleeping all day. You get up off your ass. Right. Walk, like what we're doing right now. Oh, look US footy, look your favorite. Tell me what you know about US footy, I don't. Let me show you how I could break down US footy and make something happen.
What's a demand? What's a demand?
I see the demand. I see it, eh?
Nice, you touch it there now. Boom, take it by 1 time, so
Turn
that
up,
in
yeah.
respect
Oh.
all zones. Respect all demand, bro.
I'll show you what that, man. Alright, you cannot pay you.
General Carnival, man, I love to see also brainwash.
Good thing I take that one. Fake out, boy. How are you? That is US footy. That's US footy. I can't believe it's US footy. The stream lagging. Oh, probably as I share my screen as well. Have to be that. You got pieces on there, bro. You see that? That look like news to you. Around after 2. Yeah, that is news. Last time I real trading it, but that happened around New York session, I think, you know. Maybe I should play out though.
Man, boy, women brainwash you, man. What?
Oh, why you crashing out?
How if you don't have bread, if you don't have a house, if you don't have stuff? Women, I think, look, you Muslim men, you have a phone. I mean, don't fall in love, eh, though.
Alright, I will fall in love. Not even with the markets, not even with the money.
Get your money up.
With myself and the most high. I will protect my energy at all costs. Yo, chat, don't mind the madman that's singing there. Me crashing out for no reason, crashing out over a woman, crashing out over the markets. What else again you go crash out over? That's US40 ass, man. No lie. No lie, bro. US40 ass. A joke thing not there. A joke thing not there. I'm not joke this.
The knife man. You know, you just stay and just watch the chats, you just seen,
Yeah.
like you just seen setup. Which one of the
Same
setup
things
be
forming. Like. Right now, let me look and see what I'm looking for tomorrow.
15 minutes in man or 1 hour in man. Huh?
So let me see what I'm looking at for tomorrow on the charts. Hey, wait, I haven't checked. Why share my screen? But I still understand goal. I understand that our movements go on to there. I know if goal making a change of crop to go up.
What do you doing them loyal ones to goal, boy?
No, but that you mean. I did goal again
No,
with
I
but
never
red
think
from.
goal.
Why would I run away
them loyal
from?
ones to goal,
But
boy?
why would I run away from something not giving me bread? That makes no sense. If it breaking bread with me when I hungry, it giving me bread to eat. You check? Gold is my bread,
Hey, you doing them
and
loyal
GU,
ones to goal?
GU is my cup of tea. Let me say it like that. Gold is my bread, GU my cup of tea.
No matter what goal do you, boy, you stay loyal to goal, boy.
Everybody use them industry fellas that go stay loyal to the high impact type of how I go say it, chart price action.
market.
Even though that's showing you that egg in there, you still go take it, lose $1 million and still stay on that. Alright, see a little counter trend going on there. See a little counter trend. Just need to really find my zone. So that's a 15-minute chart, eh? Boy, what do I do with that big move there, boy? 18, that's at 7 o'clock. You had any news at 7 o'clock? What news we had at 7 o'clock?
And the baby pips thing from like wow, eh?
Yeah, baby pips. I didn't know a lot of baby pips. A long while you were going now. We had no news there.
I haven't finished reading the book yet though.
No one you tell me read everything, so you say I know your line. Man tell me
I
read everything. I said there's
I
no
don't
way
finish
to
read
do it.
everything and mark this one better than that. Mark it to the first candle after the red one.
Which was
Before the red
small.
candle.
That,
Yeah, that's small one. Yeah.
yeah, but the reason I put it so because you see a lot gap down to utilize the gap. And I go only 5 minutes now. You see how small it is? Then I have to redefine it again. All I have to do is just change it up now. Redefine it. Because price majority of the time price wouldn't come exactly right to the T day. Price will reach like somewhere here and then it will tap and go down. If my zone too big, I'll make it smaller. Like somewhere.
Go with the 15 minute zone. Take it only 15 minutes.
But that's current price, yeah. Hope you know that you probably thinking it's bought there. That is current price are they? I was watching at what price
Current
going.
price,
Yeah.
current price are
I
there.
seen anything looking nice. So I think from everything. Yeah, he said he's bought there, I bought this in there. I was looking at what the market might do.
We done back testing already.
Yeah, yes, my wash type of boxes I do. I get how much else on my boxes before I go on the boxes again. That done prepping my mind to say, boy, look tomorrow get a L. I just move off that now. Alright, GU looking off. So I don't know, just expect the unexpected for GU tomorrow. Tomorrow Monday there. Price just spin around that whole zone. Let me look at the daily. Daily self same thing. EU. How much gaps price have we feel there? Too much gaps open. GG just bend that resistance. That 4 hour resistance. Jerry, you see that there? What's that? If you
That's a
say
trading, bro. That's
Boy.
the last trade you took.
yeah, no, the last trade is the one we lost on, but if you see I just a whole lot of
demand.
up there. So that was my last winning trade. Sweetie. Just a whole lot, boy. It's just if you see all the swing trader farm, that is nothing for me. That's like the amount of what that all that is W's, what is that? And not going for crazy risk reward. All that I looking at today.
That's what I'm telling you, bro. Like,
And the market
GG
doing the
just
same
respected
thing.
support of this
They're
stuff,
doing
bro.
the same thing over and over and over again. Look
That's
at them
the
again,
same thing I'm
same
telling
thing.
you. Oh, you see exactly the same way I took
Yeah.
all 3 trades the last
What that?
trade.
Same is a pattern.
All my
value.
winning 500, 500, 500. If I was like, what?
I tell you, swing
They did the
traders,
same thing in a row.
they
bro.
man have a lot of discipline, and that's how they man is hella profitable. Because from them they understand what the market doing is just wait till it do the same thing again, take it, and just hold. And price, watch that. That's a 4 hour candle. 4. That's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So basically that's a whole day and an extra 4 hours again. Watch how quick that moving. Same thing the market doing. Nothing not changing. But now they watch how they reach to the peak, it take out all that liquidity there. Now what it will do now, that's the thing. We don't want to
That's
do
what I'm saying,
exactly
you
like
should-
that.
That's what. Listen, go on your day chart, the daily chart. Mark the trend line out for it. Mark the trend line.
You know.
The upsides. Mark it under the body of the candles. And go down on your falls, let me see that. Okay, mark it under the week now. On the daily, go back on your daily. And mark it properly here. Make sure it's touching all the weeks. Okay, nice.
Yeah, yeah. I do the wrong thing. Yeah. On the two white things.
I'd only join and let's mark the trend lines.
Like we do social, I think.
And mark the trend line.
Yeah, do social. But all of them touching.
Okay, go back on your 1 hour on your daily. Let me go back on your 1 hour, sorry. And where the trend line? Alright, that's the trend line. You see that? So watch out there. You see if the market respect that resistance right there, a strong resistance, and the market break that lower low, that lower high, sorry.
Which one?
No, the one at the bottom, the lower high.
That the lower low?
There, yeah. You see the market break that zone, you go take a nice switch sell to the trend line. And if it continue breaking the trend line now, you just holding the trend. Yeah. If the market pull back to that lower high, if it pull back and you respect it, that means okay to break the resistance. Remember, like I tell you, don't trade against the market there. As you see the market going up,
since price in a
take
range,
a long stem.
it's a long-term trend, so since price in a range, to me, I have a chance in getting a proper sell-off compared to you taking a quick scalp. Because the lower time frame is just moving there. Watch how the lower time frame moving. Sideways, so if you have to go for a sell there, what are the chances? Price will just go your way and do the same thing like other news candle or just stay sideways. So if on the higher time frame you get the nice break and you take that, like as that do it, because I know for a fact a lot of people enter that trade right there. As that gives a nice break of candle and they're holding that. To me you still have a higher chance of that going your way. Just let it play out, let the lower time frame do it sideways still until when the lower time frame ready to trend downwards. And then now, when it start pushing now, you have your break below right here. That is when you could hold that today, or if you want you could go on the 4 hour and hold it longer, depends on you, and hold it all the way to the trend line. But then now, that same zone as you see now, that is why you have to be looking at that zone, because that could be a first take profit. From time you see price really rejecting that and not pushing the momentum out, then get out. Because from day to day alone, that is already a 1 to 2, a 1 to 3 already. Yeah, 1 to 2 going already, so from there, like good on that. So you have to see the market. So right now the 4 hour looking nice and bearish, you know. No, not bearish, but rejecting his own. Rejecting his own. Daily, same thing.
Telling you. Basically, right now, I will not take it because the market just opened it. But like you say, a lot of people maybe enter in there already.
People are holding that trade already. And go only 5 minutes. Ain't really nothing. 1 minute. But the 1 minute will always show you something. The 1 minute showing you liquidity graph zones.
Only 1 minute, they will always go sideways together the 5 minutes. But
Yeah,
the 5 minutes, you could actually
yeah.
use the 15 minutes as a thing to you. But the 5 minutes, listen, actually that we could add that for the setup too. You see, since the 5 minutes going sideways, so you're marking out the resistance, you're marking out the support. Whichever breakout you get, you could actually use it for the 1 hour.
Like the higher time frame.
Yeah, for the higher time frame. Since the market going sideways, because remember the market only going 3 ways. Sideways, up and down.
Yeah.
So the moment if it going up and it start going sideways, that's when we want to go back down.
I see what
If
you're
it
saying.
going down and it goes sideways, that's when we want to go up.
Like same as the market, you marked out on the lower time frame. Probably on the higher time frame,
Yeah.
I will have my stop loss like somewhere. And let's just say that zone not there. Let's just say that zone not there. And the lower time frame showing you well, yeah, it's about to break 15 minutes by 40 minutes, now on the 1 hour. Well, I'll be taking my entries on either the 15 minutes, but I'll look at the 1 hour just to make sure that I don't want to push. My 1 hour is basically for like I know it's more like a psychology type of thing. Since the price moving slow, I could see it building momentum. I could see the direction it want to go. Compared to the 15 minute, the 15 minute just go like, because the 15 minute is basically like a right time frame. You could use it for the higher time frame and the lower time frame. It's in between. You could alternate and use it for both. It could always vary.
So it's
Compared to the 5
frame
minutes.
like a 1 hour or 50 minutes?
Like a 40 minutes going to the 1 hour, but it can't be really a 1 hour because the 1 hour is like one whole candle. But the 15 minutes, it's in between, like it's separating the 1 hour and it's separating the lower time frame. So you could use it for both. Because same way you could use your 5 minutes, you could use the 15 minutes as a 1 hour. Like, listen to that. You trading on the 5 minutes, you're using your 15-minute candle as basically like your 1 hour, but for like a quick type of movement. So when you see that the momentum coming, you go on your 5 minutes to take the trade. So you're using your 15 minutes as like a big time frame basically. And now they're using your 15 minutes as an entry, and you're using your 1 hour as the big time frame. So that's how it's in between. You could always use it in between.
Yeah.
And watch how you see that pull. You see how the 5 minutes looking like it's just normal. The 15 minutes could let you see like, but that looking nice. It's rejecting everything it want to blast. So that's how you could take it on the 5 minutes. And the 15 minutes, you look at your 1 hour. The 1 hour showing you that it really want to blast up. You go to your 15 minutes. 15 minutes look great. You just have to hold that just to see. Because either way, it's still going sideways there. So that's how you go see your time. It look like it's ready to go for a buy. You enter for a buy and price just doing shit. And then it stop you out. You go for the sell, it doing shit, stop you out. So you just have to make it blast. Like I just say, like the what they call it, the breakout, just let it blast somewhere. And then when it start pulling back, could also use it as a break and retest. Price pull back, wait for price to come back there. Somewhere not too far, make sure the retest. You look for your sell. You get your break on the retest. And you go. You just hold up till you way to down there.
Or you could actually take 2 trades there. But I see people trade so already. The same way you trade there, like an entry there, and an entry there.
Yeah. But that's once price play out in one. Because if you're going for, you can't enter buy and sell at the same time. Unless if you have multiple accounts. Like let's say if you have that account there and you take one on a buy and a thing. But if you enter it on the same account, it will exit you out of the one in a sell and go for the buy. But in a way it's still impossible because price, you trading based off price points. So if price is right there, wherever you use, that's where it will enter you the trade. If price is there, that's where you enter. If you see it planning to go up, you just exit. But it can never be 2 places at once. Yeah, if you lost it on the charts for me, I just let the price do what it's doing. I will just leave that there still. I see the momentum looking like it pushing to the upside, probably a pullback maybe to break the zone. I'm off. But whatever it's doing, let it be GJ one. GJ gold self, I don't know.
If it's break the zone, you could take a good buy here.
Well, I even take it. I'm waiting for you to say something. I'm waiting for Killer One to say something.
No, not but come on, bro. I'm not trading tonight. I'm just saying, depends on how to go on your
that you talking about.
They have news tomorrow.
Yeah,
I can't never trade tonight.
That's what news that planned in the next couple hours. The amount of news they have. Boy, tomorrow is a hectic day. But that also showed me they're going to have a lot of setup.
So basically tomorrow at 4:30, 5 o'clock tomorrow. The market will have a big push.
Yeah. A big push. So then they'll have a lot of setups, but it will be so volatile. It will be hella volatile, that's the thing. They look copacetic. Very copacetic. So that is my trade idea, looking for the sells. So chat, whoever that rewatching this stream and they made it all the way to the end, whoever that decide to be loyal and see it to the end, you don't even have to watch the full live, but that's my trade idea on GJ. Not financial advice, so do not wait for it to happen and then enter or sell below your account and say I'm responsible. Not financial advice.
Tomorrow you go see that breakout there, you will see that there.
This is not financial advice. I feel like we'll start going live on TikTok now, boy. I should have eat first, see. Wow, we. I should have eat first, man. No, the market pushing up. Yeah, so I go end stream now. Y'all boys be good, okay? Y'all boys stay prayed up.